So I guess it's the end of the world today. So I might as well make it worth it. Still reserve. End of the world is a scary thing, so I don't want to be sober when it happens. I ain't gonna lie. Let's get right to it. What are you doing? You little troublemaker. Oh, got my little tear in the background. $40 ounces of cold deliciousness. That's what I'm talking about. Damn, that was a powerful burp. You being a little terror? Must have been something I ate with this, because this motherfucker's making me burp good. We call these end of the world burps. Get out of there! Do not play with laundry soap. You know better than that. I don't know where the hell those come from. Here, go play. For now. Daddy plays in 2 seconds. Them damn burping videos, man, we getting views for some reason. I don't know what's so special about them. I really don't. People just like them, I guess. No, you can't be on camera.
Whoa.
There's too many weirdos on YouTube. Ooh. Oh, man. I haven't seen too many 5 at 40 videos with one of these. I've yet to see an 800 Club video with them. Wait a minute, I take that back. Tiny Tim made a video where he had a St. Ides and a 211. And I've seen Black Metal Troy do a 5-minute 40 with a 211. But not so many other people. Too bad people don't like these. I think these are the best. I like all malt liquor. That's it, guys. I'm dead.